As Richard said, I've pretty much spent my entire life in pixels. Everything from novel sensor technologies to cloud-based APIs, and started 5 imaging companies, took one public, and then about 20 years ago, for some bizarre reason, went into investment banking, and I actually love it, and have been doing mergers and acquisitions for imaging and vision companies ever since. So this is Woodside Capital. We are what I call a specialist advisory firm, and one of the areas that we specialize in is computer vision and imaging. If any of you are interested, you can go to our website, and there are a bunch of industry reports on a number of related topics, including autonomous vehicle sensing, computer vision in retail, healthcare, and so forth that are free. So about 3 years ago, the Embedded Vision Alliance and Woodside Capital decided to try putting together a market map for the entire computer vision market. And it's been evolving since then. And you'll see on here, I've outlined in red the 3 categories, market categories, that I'm going to talk about today. We organized it as application areas or markets and enabling technologies. Possibly an unpopular observation, because this is a technical conference and many of you are engineers, as I used to be. But my learning over the last decade or so in imaging and computer vision is that what really matters is finding a tough problem to solve with the vision technology. The what, as in what problem are you solving, matters a whole lot more than how are you solving it, right? Obviously, the enabling technology, is sort of table stakes, it's got to work, right? But the value in the company is created by the problem that you're solving, not so much how are you going about solving it. All right, so I'll spend my talk presenting talking about at a high level these 3 areas. Why these 3? Because they're, in my view, some of the most exciting areas outside of automotive that was covered earlier this morning for computer vision.